day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here, one of the most affordable smartwatch in the market with the blood glucose monitoring. So it is a health smartwatch that it is equipped with a blood sugar here, as you can see, monitoring. We have the heart rate, blood pressure, as well as sleep monitoring, and I think it is also included with the body temperature monitoring. Okay, so we are going to check and have the unboxing of the F57L Smartwatch blood glucose smartwatch monitoring. Okay, or blood glucose monitoring smartwatch. So we are going to check this out. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below, and of course we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. As you can see here, we have a very simple packaging. Okay, simple and elegant. So it says here more than 50 sports mode. Okay, and we have the features here: exercise mode, distance, speedometer, sleep monitoring, and calories. And here the watch color, I think we picked the gold color. Okay, we'll see. Okay, and it says here it's using the H-band app, available in iOS and Google Play. So step pedometer, sleep monitoring, SMS, and heart rate. Okay, so nothing else. So let's check. Let's open the box. I think this is just less than $20 in the market. Okay, depending on where you are going to purchase your smartwatch. So the contents. Okay, so we have here the user manual, the smartwatch, and we have here a metal frame with brush finish, I think. Okay, and we have a PC or plastic back cover here. We have the magnetic charging cable, and we have the strap. Okay, let's put this aside. So here are the contents. Okay, checking on the user manual. So we have here some of the specs. We have 1.91 inch. We have some of the sensors such as blood pressure and heart rate. We also have, as you can see, we have a temperature sensor. We have the user manual here and a QR code. What else? The bind process. Okay, when you want to pair your support app. And as you can see here, the name of the smartwatch, F57L. Okay, so let's check on the wearable. As you can see, we have here a metal plate for the body temperature monitoring. We have a flexible strap. Okay, an ordinary flexible strap here. Let's see if we can attach this. Okay, another one. Let's measure the weight of this one when we fully attach the strap. Okay, so let's check. So we have here a measuring tool for the weight. Let's check. So it is around 37.62 grams, very lightweight, especially if there is no strap. I think the smartwatch dropped to 30. Okay, but so far as you can see, 35, barely 40 grams. Okay, and for the dimension, let's check. Without the sensor here, okay, let's check out the thickness. So just think it's just around 7 or 8. 7. Oh, very thin. Okay. And for the length, so it's around 38 by 33. Okay. So it's just an okay looking smartwatch here. Okay. So I'm going to check on the specs here. Okay, let's see if they are showing the exact specs. So F57L. We have the details. Where's the specs? Okay, so the specs here, we have 1.9 inch square, okay, screen resolution. I think, I see, it's an IPS LCD. We have 280 by 320 pixel resolution, IP67 waterproof rated, and we have Bluetooth 5.1. So it is using the H-band support app. Okay, we have here the sensor. Okay, for the G sensor, heart rate sensor, also have a vibration motor, and the main chip, control chip, is GR5515. Okay, so it has a lot of features here. Okay, so here are the design, and the at least 6 color variations are available. There's also a steel strap, as well as, okay, stainless steel strap and mesh strap here. Okay, 1.9 large IPS LCD screen. So the body here, the metal frame, is an aluminum alloy metal shell. Okay, so we are excited to check on the health features of this smartwatch. Okay, so we have temperature measurement, blood glucose, and sleep monitoring with 50 sports mode. Okay, so let's check first the screen display. For the battery here, 15 days, light use 10 days for deep use, and 7 days for heavy usage. Long standby time, 1 month. Oh, with its 260 mAh battery. Okay, so let's check on the screen display. Let's remove this. Okay. Okay, let me wear it first. So we can see it. You can really appreciate the beauty. I just don't like the strap. Okay, feels cheap, feels ordinary. Okay. Okay. Let's type it. Just okay. Okay, it's comfortable to use so far. Okay, so let's check the screen display. Okay, is it an edge-to-edge display? Okay, we'll see. Let's adjust the, okay. Okay, so I'm impressed with the screen display here. It's almost an edge-to-edge display. Okay, again, let's check. 1.91 inch, but I like the way how I like the framing of the screen. Okay, again, as you can see here, so the black border here is on the edge. Okay, so if you're going to take a look at it, okay, very slim black border here. Okay, just on the bottom part it's a bit wide, but here on the left, right, and top, it's beautiful. Okay, as you can see here, an edge to edge screen. sort of a borderless screen display. Again, the screen display here, the size is 1.91 inch. Okay, let me go back to the promotional images here. Let's verify. 1.90 or 1.9 IPS screen, and with a 280 by 320 high color gamut aluminum alloy metal shell. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing and a preview of the F57L Smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this wearable, okay, things that you want to know about this smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.